In this video, let's take a look at how to use the download file block. Its main purpose is to help you download images from the web, audio, videos, and all kinds of other resource files. This block is especially useful in situations like this. When you see an image or a video on a web page, but there's no download button available, so you can't save it directly. At this point, the download file block can get the job done. However, if the web page already has a download button, we recommend using the click element block instead. Just click the button to download, which is even simpler. Next, I'll show you how to use it step by step. First, drag the download file block onto the canvas. The first time you use it, the system will ask you to grant download permission. Just click Allow. Then enter the file link you want to download here. We can go here and copy the link of an image to try it out. All set, let's run it and see what happens. It's incredibly fast. Almost an instant download. Look, the image has been successfully downloaded to your computer. Let's preview this image. Nice, it looks high quality. If you want to change the file name, that's easy to do as well. For example, enter this in the file name field. Alright, run it again. The download is successful. As you can see, the downloaded file is now named ABC JPG. If you want to batch name files using certain rules, you can open the custom file name section in the official documentation and check the rule templates. For example, generate an 8-character random ID as the file name. Add a unified prefix. Or save files into a new directory. Of course, you can also name files by date. It's very flexible. Just now, we only downloaded a single file. So how do we download multiple files at once? It's actually very simple. We'll do it in 3 steps. Step 1. Extract all image URLs first. Then store them in a variable called images. With the type set to array, which means a list. Switch this to list mode here. Then hover your cursor over an image. Press the number 1 key on your keyboard. Hover over another image. Press the number 2 key. This way, you can select all images in the list. Extract the src attribute of the elements, which is the image link. See, we've extracted links for 3 images. Step 2. Use the loop block to iterate through the list, processing them one by one. Step 3. Drag the download file block into the loop. Then reference the loop's value here, which represents each individual link. You can leave the file name empty. Add a bit of delay so one image downloads every second. The block below is no longer needed, so delete it. Alright, let's run it again. Perfect, all 3 images have been downloaded. Alright, now you've fully mastered how to use the download file block. Whether it's a single file or batch resources, it can easily help you download images, audio, videos, and more from web pages. Hope this quick tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.